Welcome to our exploration of societal cohesion. Societal cohesion represents the glue that binds communities together, a shared sense of belonging and mutual support. In this video, we will uncover what societal cohesion truly means, delve into why it is essential, and examine steps we can take to foster it in our communities. First, let's define societal cohesion. It's the idea that a society should be stable, cohesive, and harmonious, where members collaborate towards common goals and embrace diversity. The importance of societal cohesion cannot be overstated. It promotes peace, reduces conflict, and fosters economic development while strengthening the fabric of communities, making them more resilient to challenges. Throughout this video, we will explore various facets of societal cohesion. From historical examples of cohesive societies to insights from experts and community leaders, each segment will provide valuable knowledge and actionable strategies. Our journey begins here, setting the stage for a thorough understanding. You'll see how historical lessons inform our present efforts and gain insights into effective community building, social integration, and achieving unity in diversity. Together, we'll envision a future where societal cohesion thrives. Throughout history, societies that have embraced cohesion have thrived. From the ancient Greeks who built strong city-states through shared values to the cooperative movements of early 20th century Europe, the power of unity is undeniable. We see it in the vibrant communities of medieval Europe, where guilds and communal bonds shaped cities and cultures, demonstrating the strength in solidarity. In modern times, the civil rights movement in the United States is a powerful testament to the impact of cohesive action against systemic inequality. These historical examples teach us invaluable lessons about the importance of mutual respect, trust, and collective goals in fostering a cohesive society. By studying these instances, we understand the profound impact they had on their societies, increased resilience, prosperity, and social harmony. As we journey through this exploration, let's delve into these lessons from history and uncover how they can guide our current efforts towards building a cohesive society. Remember, the past offers us a blueprint for the present and the future, helping us build a better, more united world. Community building is the foundation of societal cohesion. It involves creating a sense of belonging and mutual support. But what exactly is community building? It's a process that brings people together to work towards common goals, fostering shared values and trust. Key elements include active participation, open communication, and inclusive practices. When individuals feel they belong to a community, they're more likely to contribute positively and support each other. One of the greatest benefits of community building is the creation of resilient networks. These networks withstand challenges and adapt to changes more effectively, paving the way for social integration and unity. Moreover, community building significantly impacts individual well-being, promoting mental health and reducing feelings of isolation. As we delve into this process, we'll uncover essential strategies that promote successful community building. Next, we'll explore how these strategies play a vital role in fostering societal cohesion. Through the power of community, we can transform our societies into more cohesive and supportive environments. Stay with us to understand how we can build and sustain thriving communities. Social integration ensures that all members of society feel included and valued. At its core, it's the process of fostering a sense of belonging among diverse groups within a community. Imagine a society where everyone, regardless of their background, feels connected and important. This is the essence of social integration. Why is social integration crucial? It promotes unity and mitigates social tensions. When people feel valued and connected, there's a stronger sense of communal support and trust, leading to a more harmonious and resilient society. How can we achieve social integration? Community programs encouraging interaction among diverse groups bridge gaps. Education plays a vital role in teaching acceptance and understanding. Policies that promote equal opportunities and fight discrimination are key. Inclusion in decision-making processes ensures everyone's voice is heard. These methods collectively foster an environment where every individual feels valued. As we move forward, you'll see how these principles are put into practice in various communities, showcasing the real-world impact of successful social integration. Unity in diversity is a powerful concept that can significantly enhance societal cohesion. Despite our differences, we can create a harmonious society where everyone feels included and valued. Consider the diversity in thriving multicultural neighborhoods, where each group brings unique strengths and perspectives, forming a richer, more dynamic community. Examples abound, from schools that celebrate various cultures through diverse curricula and festivals to workplaces that harness the varied talents of their multicultural teams, driving innovation and growth. In cities like Toronto and New York, diversity fuels vibrant communities where differences are celebrated, not just tolerated. The benefits are profound. Embracing unity in diversity fosters mutual respect and understanding, reducing tensions and conflicts while paving the way for peaceful coexistence. It also boosts economic growth, as diverse ideas and talents lead to creativity and progress. As we proceed, we'll delve into practical strategies that bridge our differences while strengthening our unity. Stay with us to explore methods communities worldwide use to turn diversity into an asset for societal cohesion. Despite its critical importance, societal cohesion encounters numerous challenges. Let's delve into some of the most common ones and their impacts on our communities. Economic disparity often stands as a significant barrier, creating divides between different social classes. This disparity feeds into other issues like unequal access to education and healthcare, which further fragment society. Social exclusion can also stem from discrimination based on race, gender, and religious beliefs, leading to marginalized groups feeling alienated. Political polarization adds another layer of complexity, often turning public discourse into a battleground rather than a platform for unity. The rise of misinformation in the digital age exacerbates these divisions, spreading distrust and fear among communities. Lack of effective communication and shared goals can make it difficult to achieve collective progress, leading to social unrest and a weakened social fabric. Understanding and addressing these challenges is crucial to building a society where every member feels valued and included. Now that we've outlined these challenges, let's explore how some communities have successfully navigated them, providing us with valuable lessons and hope. Let's take a look at a community that has successfully built a strong sense of cohesion. In this case study, we explore a neighborhood that transformed itself through intentional and strategic efforts. The strategies they utilized included inclusive gatherings, collaboration with local organizations, and ongoing dialogues to understand and address community needs. Through these collective actions, the community saw significant outcomes. Crime rates dropped, residents reported higher levels of satisfaction, and there was an increase in volunteerism and local events. This example illustrates that with dedication and the right strategies, building a cohesive community is achievable. As we move forward, you'll see how these approaches can be adapted and implemented in different contexts to foster societal cohesion. Now, let's explore a case where social integration has been effectively achieved. We'll dive into a real-world example where innovative strategies fostered a sense of belonging and mutual support within a diverse community. By focusing on inclusive practices, this community successfully navigated challenges that often hinder integration. Through collaborative efforts, they created spaces where everyone feels valued. The outcomes have been remarkable, with significant improvements in social harmony, community participation, and overall well-being. Key strategies included open dialogue, shared cultural experiences, and continuous support mechanisms. These elements have transformed the social fabric, setting a powerful example for other communities striving for cohesion. As we move forward, you'll see how these successful strategies can be adapted and implemented in various contexts, further advancing social integration on a broader scale. Finally, let's look at a community that has achieved unity in diversity. In this real-world example, we see how people from various backgrounds come together under a common goal. The strategies employed were simple but powerful, facilitating open dialogue, fostering mutual respect, and creating inclusive spaces for all. These efforts led to remarkable outcomes. Trust was built, mutual understanding flourished, and a cohesive community emerged, stronger and more resilient. By focusing on shared values rather than differences, they managed to create a harmonious environment where everyone felt valued and heard. This case study demonstrates that unity in diversity is not just an ideal but an attainable reality. The successes seen here can serve as a guide for other communities striving for cohesion. Learning from this, we can understand that effective strategies, rooted in respect and inclusivity, can bridge divides and build stronger, more unified societies. To gain a deeper understanding, let's hear from experts in the field of societal cohesion. First, we'll delve into expert opinions that dissect the very fabric of our communities. These insights shed light on how cohesion can transform societies, making them more resilient and united. Next, we'll uncover key strategies recommended by top sociologists and community leaders. These strategies are designed not just to promote integration but to foster a sense of belonging and shared purpose among diverse populations. Finally, let's look toward the future. Our experts offer a forward-looking perspective on the evolving landscape of societal cohesion. What will our communities look like in the coming decades, and how can we prepare to face both challenges and opportunities? As we navigate through these expert insights, consider how these concepts can be applied within your community. The wisdom shared here is not merely academic, it's a call to action for each of us to contribute to a more cohesive society. There are several strategies that can help build societal cohesion. Let's explore some of the most effective ones. First, fostering open communication is crucial. When individuals and groups feel heard, it significantly reduces misunderstandings and tensions. Regular forums, town halls, and inclusive dialogue platforms can facilitate this. Second, encouraging community engagement plays a pivotal role. Activities like local events, volunteer programs, and neighborhood projects foster a sense of belonging and collective purpose. Third, implementing inclusive policies ensures that all members of society, regardless of their background, have equal opportunities. This includes equitable access to education, healthcare, and employment. Next, promoting cultural exchange through festivals, educational programs, and media representation showcases the beauty of diversity, helping to build mutual respect and understanding. Additionally, targeted support for marginalized groups can uplift entire communities. Providing resources such as mentorship, training programs, and safe spaces empowers individuals to contribute positively to society. Let's consider some real-world examples. In cities like Toronto, London, and Singapore, diverse populations coexist harmoniously due to well-crafted strategies that promote cohesion. These examples illustrate that with the right approach, societal cohesion is not just a possibility but a reality. Education plays a crucial role in promoting societal cohesion. The importance of education extends beyond academic knowledge. It fosters understanding and tolerance. Educational programs are designed not only to educate but to integrate. Schools serve as microcosms of society, where diverse backgrounds meet and collaborate. Here, children learn to appreciate and respect differences, laying the foundation for a cohesive society. Through shared experiences, education helps bridge cultural and social gaps. Programs emphasizing civic education and community involvement further strengthen these bonds. It's through these initiatives that individuals develop a sense of belonging and mutual respect. The long-term impact is profound. Educated individuals are better equipped to contribute positively to their communities, becoming advocates for unity and breaking down barriers. As we move forward, understanding the role of education in societal cohesion offers us valuable lessons. By investing in inclusive educational programs, we build stronger, more unified communities, seeing reduced conflict and enhanced cooperation. Up next, we'll delve into the influential role of policy in promoting societal cohesion. Policy plays a significant role in promoting societal cohesion. But what makes a policy effective in this regard? Policies emphasizing inclusivity and equality can bridge gaps within communities. They create opportunities for dialogue and mutual respect, helping people from diverse backgrounds feel valued and integrated. Take, for example, policies focused on affordable housing. By ensuring access to decent living conditions, such policies reduce economic disparities and foster neighborhood unity. Similarly, educational reforms that prioritize inclusive curriculums can help break down social barriers and cultivate understanding from a young age. Healthcare policies providing equitable access to medical services promote broader societal well-being. These ensure all individuals, regardless of socioeconomic status, can contribute to and benefit from community life. These are just a few examples demonstrating the profound impact thoughtful, inclusive policies can have on fostering societal cohesion. As we move forward, you'll see how community leaders and policymakers implement these strategies to build more harmonious societies. As we look to the future, the journey toward societal cohesion presents both formidable challenges and exciting opportunities. The road ahead will not be without obstacles, but the potential for progress is immense. We'll face issues related to rapid technological changes, shifting demographics, and evolving social dynamics. These challenges are significant, yet they come with chances for profound growth. By embracing innovation and fostering inclusive communities, we can turn potential pitfalls into opportunities for unity. The future will require us to be more adaptable, resilient, and committed than ever. New strategies and policies will need to prioritize integration and inclusivity. Opportunities lie in our ability to harness the power of education, policy, and community-driven initiatives to build stronger, more cohesive societies. We have the resources and the knowledge. What remains is our willingness to act. As we continue this journey, let the lessons from history guide us and the vision of a united future inspire us. The path ahead is ours to shape, filled with potential for a brighter tomorrow where social cohesion is not just an aspiration but a lived reality for all. Thank you for joining us on this exploration. Stay tuned for more ways you can contribute. Now that we've explored the importance and methods of achieving societal cohesion, it's time to take action. Cohesion doesn't just happen, it requires individual and collective effort. Start by engaging in local community events. Volunteer your time, your skills, or even your resources to support communal activities. Advocate for inclusive policies that ensure everyone in your community feels valued and heard. Support initiatives that promote education and awareness about societal cohesion. Every effort, no matter how small, contributes to building a more cohesive society. Reach out to organizations that focus on unifying diverse groups and support their work. Connect with community leaders, take part in local meetings, and voice your thoughts. By fostering a sense of belonging and mutual respect, we can create environments where everyone thrives. It doesn't matter where you start, what matters is taking that first step. Together, we can build a society where unity and diversity coexist seamlessly. Let's shape a future where cohesion is our strength, not just an ideal. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Now, let's turn these ideas into action. The power to build a cohesive society lies in our hands. So, what will you do next?